Okay, so welcome back for another deep dive. And this time we are taking another look at edeXa.
Yeah.
This is actually our third time we've looked at this company.
I know, it's pretty exciting.
And I have to say, every single time we dive back into edeXa, I find something new that really blows me away about what they're doing. edeXa is building a business-focused blockchain platform.
Right.
Now, just to be clear, they're not messing around. This is not some kind of pilot program or something.
Yeah.
They're going all in on real-world solutions. And they're not newcomers to this. They've already got a very serious track record to prove it.
Yeah, we've talked in the past about how they've got this unique hybrid blockchain model, right?
Right.
So they're combining the speed and the privacy that businesses need with the transparency that you get from a public blockchain. And
don't forget, over 20,000 companies are already using their purchase to pay and supply chain solutions.
that's right. It's a phenomenal number, 20,000.
Yeah, that's a lot of companies. Yeah. It kind of makes you wonder, why isn't everybody knocking on their door to get in on this?
Yeah.
But the answer is, and this is where it gets really interesting, edeXa's motto is, we are not doing things fast. We create great tech, and great tech takes time.
And that is so important because it's such a contrast to what we normally see in the blockchain space, right? Everybody wants to be first. Everybody wants to
Get those headlines.
get the hype, get the attention. But edeX is saying, no, no, no. We're going to lay a really solid foundation. We're going to make sure that this technology can handle the complexities of real-world business, because that's the whole point of this, and then we're going to take the next step.
And speaking of that next step, next step is a big one. They're launching their own token.
They are.
It's called edeX, and it marks their official entrance into the crypto market. And I have to admit, when I first heard about this, I was kind of like, okay, is this just another company jumping on the crypto bandwagon?
Right. It would be easy to think that.
It would be so easy to think that.
But this is actually really different because this is not about speculation. This edeX token is about taking their existing platform and taking it to a whole other level. Remember all those businesses, those 20,000 businesses that we just talked about?
Right.
They're all running on edeXa's permissioned blockchain network, okay?
Yep.
The edeX token is going to play a key role in rewarding the participants for helping to make that network so strong.
Oh, okay.
So this is about building a more vibrant ecosystem.
So you're saying it's not about just like buying and selling this token on an exchange. It's about it having real utility within the edeXa platform itself.
Precisely.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense now.
And to really understand the potential here, we need to revisit edeXa's hybrid blockchain model. Okay, so think about it this way. Imagine a city, and it's got both expressways and local roads, okay? The expressways, those are like edeXa's permissioned blockchain.
Okay.
They're fast, they're efficient, they're private, and that's where all those 20,000 businesses are doing their transactions with each other.
All right. But then you've got the local roads. That's the public blockchain, right?
Right.
That provides transparency and access for anybody who wants to take a look and see a record of what's happening.
And that's where the hashing comes in, right?
That's it. Yeah. So all of those transactions that are happening on the expressway, on that permissioned blockchain, they get summarized and recorded on the public blockchain.
It's like we're taking a snapshot of all that private activity and then making it publicly available.
You got it. So you get the best of both worlds. You get speed and privacy for businesses, and you get the transparency and the trust of a public ledger.
So we've got this very powerful technology. We have this growing network of companies. And now we've got this edeX token that's designed to kind of pull this whole ecosystem together. Can you give me some actual concrete examples of what this looks like in practice?
Absolutely. One of the most exciting things that they're doing is creating what are called digital twins for products and assets.
What is a digital twin? Okay, so think about a digital representation of a product, like say a car part that exists on the blockchain. And then every step of its journey from the manufacturing to the shipping to the final delivery is recorded in an immutable way on that blockchain. So businesses and customers get this incredible visibility and trust in the supply chain.
So it's like having a tamper-proof history of everything that happened to this part from the moment it was created.
Exactly. No more wondering where it came from or if it's authentic. You know everything about it.
Wow. That's incredible.
Yeah, and that's just one example. You could also use this for secure data storage. Think about things like medical records or financial documents. That data can be kept private on the permissioned blockchain. but it's anchored to the public blockchain, so you have that extra level of security and immutability.
I see. So it's private but verifiable.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it.
Okay. This is fascinating. It feels like edeXa is really onto something here. And it goes back to what we talked about earlier, right? Their commitment to building it the right way, even if it takes a little longer,
Absolutely. This is about the long game.
Yeah. It's not about chasing hype. It's about creating something that's going to have real staying power.
Exactly. And I think that's what makes this EDX token launch so exciting, because it's a continuation of that vision. It's about taking all the pieces that they've put in place and leveraging them to create an ecosystem that really empowers businesses to do more, to be more efficient, to be more secure, and to really thrive in this new digital world.
It's amazing to think that in a world that's so focused on instant gratification, on getting results as quickly as possible, edeXa is really taking a different approach, a more measured approach. So here's a thought for you all as you go about your day. Do you think edeXa's success is a sign that things are starting to change? Are we headed toward a future where blockchain solutions are less about hype and speculation and more about delivering tangible value in the real world? Think about that. We'll be back next time with another deep dive. Looking forward to it.